Potatoes are peeled and sliced with precision. Next, they are fried to crispy perfection. The chips are then sealed into bags and packaged for delivery. High-pressure jets strip away dirt and debris, revealing the clean skins. A recycling system filters and reuses thousands of gallons for sustainability. Variable speed and nozzle intensity, clean without damage. The peeled potatoes spin rapidly against textured rollers. The depth is precisely calibrated to minimize food waste. Discarded skin via a separate chute. Sensors adjust pressure based on the size of each potato. High-speed optical sensors scan every potato for blemishes and internal defects. Air-powered ejectors, workers perform a final manual check, blending technology with human oversight. The core manufacturing begins as the potatoes enter the high-speed slicing assembly. The documentary highlights the engineering of the blade assembly, explaining how different attachments can create flat, ruffled. After slicing, the potato discs are washed in cold water to remove surface starch. Turbulent airflow creates cloudy, starchy water, which is then rinsed clean. This process ensures a crisp texture and prevents sticking during frying. The slices then pass through a powerful air-drying tunnel to remove surface moisture before they reach the oil. This segment uses slow-motion footage to show water droplets that ensures the quality of the final product's crunch.
The prepared slices now enter the massive continuous fryer. This fryer is hundreds of feet long, with oil at 365 degrees. Heat exchangers and filtration keep the oil fresh.
As the chips emerge from the fryer, they travel up this mesh conveyor to drain excess oil. Automated paddles gently flip the chips, exposing them evenly. Cooling locks in their golden texture, balancing heat and speed. The chips enter a rotating drum, where a fine mist of spices is applied. Residual heat and a layer of oil help the seasoning adhere to. Precise weighing systems ensure the exact ratio of flavor to chip weight. After flavoring, chips pass under digital cameras that analyze the color and shape of every single chip. Rejection criteria: this advanced system scans thousands per minute, ensuring consistent quality for consumers. This multi-head system uses combinatorial weighing to reach exact bag weights. Stainless steel gates open and close rapidly, dropping measured portions. This minimizes giveaway, ensuring every customer gets the mechanical precision. The branded film is formed into a tube and heat sealed at the bottom. Nitrogen flushing replaces oxygen with inert gas to preserve freshness. Chips drop in, then the bag is sealed and flies off the line at over 100 per minute. In the VFFS machine, branded film is formed into a tube and heat sealed at the bottom. Nitrogen flushing replaces oxygen with inert gas, preserving freshness and cushioning the chips. After bagging, products undergo final safety checks. A metal detector scans for foreign objects. A check weigher verifies or deviate to within a gram. This ensures strict food safety protocols are met. Robotic arms take over, packing bags into crates with incredible speed and precision. Programming coordinates their movements, syncing with the bagging machine the process, ensuring the supply of empty crates. With daily shipping volumes reaching thousands of crates, this facility dispatches dozens of trucks every hour, delivering fresh potatoes to markets worldwide.